Hey ladies, I had a couple questions on how I curl my hair. So I just figured I'd do a quick tutorial for that. I've already sprayed heat protectant on my hair. So right now I'm just sectioning out my hair. I just split it down the middle and then I just go piece by piece. I do use a curling iron. I got this one from Amazon. It's K&K. It's a 1-inch barrel. You can use it as a wand or a curling iron. And I usually set it at about 400, but it does go up to 450. So I do section by section and I face the clamp facing outward, so like towards the camera. And while I'm curling it, I just, as you can see, I just pull it through very lightly. I barely touch the clamp just to slide it back down. I don't curl all the way down. I leave the ends out. And I do touch the roots a little bit with the barrel just to smooth out those bumps that I have there from having it up in my bun. My hair is really wavy anyways. I fell asleep with wet hair. So, and that's pretty much what we're doing here. We're just going to go through it real quick. It looks like I have a lot of hair, but I really don't. So I love this curling iron. I've had it, it's probably been a couple years. So I would suggest purchasing it because it does, you can curl it as a curling iron and also use it as a wand. So I will speed up this part here so you guys can see what it is that I'm doing. Okay, so what I do here with the barrel, I just curl under that, just so, that part, so that I have a little bit of volume there when I curl the hair away from my face in a minute. So everything that I'm curling, I curl away from my face. All my layers, all my sections. And I hold my hair in the barrel for about 10 seconds, maybe less than 10 seconds. Ends out again. And then this last part, and curl away from my face. So after curling everything, I let my hair sit for a little bit. I let my curls cool down, and then I just run my fingers through my hair, shake out the curls. Sometimes I'll just put like a tiny, like a pea size of bio soak in my hair and go through the ends if they're still kind of frizzy. And then I just run it through, and that is pretty much it. This is the end result to how my curls come out. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. I hope to have some more videos coming out soon. Bye.